For remove the control panel, we need a big screwdriver and Allen wrench and a small Phillips screwdriver. Remove the power cable, mini dock and transducer from the system and release the battery. Let's begin unscrewing these 4 screws. This on the bottom of the system and these other 2 behind the system. Open the display carefully, separating the magnets of the display from the control panel. Now we can remove the control panel. Later I will show you how to remove the display on this system. Thanks for watching.